Well, all right. My name is Jim, and I'm going to do an unboxing of a amp stand that I saw at the last gig that I did. And the model is on stage RS7705 adjustable amp stand. What I really liked about the amp stand, it was really flexible and diverse as far as I could tilt it and things like that. So I'm going to do an unboxing here and open it up one step at a time. Never done one before. I'm not using a box cutter. It's kind of old school. Just took a flathead screwdriver and open this thing up. Comes in a box, like it should. Okay, let me open it up, and lots of stuffing. I'm thinking this isn't the actual reel, which no, it isn't actually. And this is the actual stand. And I bought this. Yeah, difficulty hearing some things. And at the last gig I had, I used one amp, and it sounded fantastic for my Music Man Stingray bass. And so this is the box it comes in, right there. It's backwards, so sorry if I'm doing this reverse thing. Tilt amp stand by Onstage. I have a lot of Onstage stuff, I really like it. So, it doesn't look like it's been retaped. I think it actually is new out of the box. So we're gonna just kind of rip it up. I'm thinking it's gonna be simple, but you know, when I was looking this up, I wish I could have, I wanted to see how it operated. So we'll open this up, and it's probably, look at that. Pretty much one piece. No instructions. Really super simple. This is the stand that it is. Look real close. It has a pivot. We can go left and right. Again, I'm sorry about the reverse. I think hopefully I can get it so it's readable. And then you have, you have this part that opens up, and it's adjustable, so you can set the angle. See how you can do this? So that's your first adjustment. I'll just put this back here and tighten it up, just a general tighten up. So stands like that, pretty self-explanatory. And then the second part is going to be the part that you actually put your amp. So you can put it like that, super simple. And again, it's adjustable tilt. You got this right here, you just screw and unscrew. I'm not sure why there's an extra one here. Maybe it's left hand, right hand thing, I have no idea. So we have it like this, and then we have the legs that come out, the holders. Now these two are a little bit longer, so I'm thinking these are the one, you know, this is where you put the bottom of your amp, okay? And you put it like that. I don't like that. I think that angle may be a little too steep, but I also think you could probably not only use this as the bottom, or, yeah, this is intended for the bottom, not the other way around. So just put it in like that. There it is at that angle. Pretty sturdy, it's all metal. And I was just curious, I have a Fender Rumble amp, and I thought I'd put it on right here as we're watching it. Let me take a look at that. And I don't know if it's gonna fall or anything like that, but this Rumble is about 40 some pounds. So you can put it on there. Now it wants to tip forward right away. So I think the answer, it's gonna put the main foot back. See how it's really tippy, really tippy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the back foot more, of course. We're gonna disperse the weight a little bit differently, okay? Maybe a little bit wider stance. And then I'm gonna tip this part like this, okay? So then that'll give it a wider base, because it is, I mean, it's gonna be front heavy. I mean, that's pretty obvious. So this again is a 44-pound amp. Put it right here. Not bad, still a little bit tippy. Yeah, it can be, for this particular amp, I think it's a little bobby for me. So let's try to keep dropping it, maybe some more, to give it some more, a lower to the ground center of gravity. So I can do it like this. And then I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, so it's leaning back a little bit more, maybe like, I'll try like this. So I put the base wider to disperse center of gravity kind of thing. And I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Yeah, you know what I think? I think it may be backwards. So let's try this differently. So this is good, I'm doing this unboxing. If anything, it should be, I think, like this. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. and it goes this way. Yep, absolutely, because then there's more in front of it than behind. So this is great for unboxing, huh? So it needs to be so that the front of the weight is on where the front is out as far further. And then we'll put this on like this and center it, and oh yeah, that's way more firm. The only thing is it seems for my amp, it's almost as wide as the amp on the foot bases, but it has a little bit of a tip factor. If you look at like this, I don't think it's going to be a big of a deal. Matter of fact, I think if I probably spread the base out even a little bit more, it would probably be even more centered. But like for me, I want to be able to hear, so I'm going to probably even tip it further. So yeah, welcome to an unboxing, eh? And I'll bring it back maybe 2 notches. Okay, so it looks like these longer sections need to be in back of your amp. The shorter one is underneath your amp. So I'm gonna put it like this because this would give me a fairly decent angle. And yeah, not bad. I think what I would do though, I would most likely drop it down even more, because it's not unstable, but I wouldn't exactly call it the most stable. And this is where it's pretty much centered. So I think what I do, I'm gonna drop the front end, because again, it's not bad, and I'm on carpet too. So it's not bad. I think it'd be good enough to gig with, obviously. So I'm gonna do one more thing, and maybe we'll see how low I can actually get it. It's getting to the point where there ain't gonna go much lower. Like, okay, there we go. There we go. So now it's really low. And maybe I'll put this up a touch. Put it up maybe right there. So now, yeah, because as it goes further back, you're probably gonna have more issues. So, and again, this is an unboxing, so who knows. So now I feel like this is gonna be the most, probably the most stable, I would think. Yeah, it could go over just a touch here. Yeah. So overall, I think this will work perfectly, actually. Yeah. It looks, I was a little concerned if we, take a look at the bottom here. I was a little bit concerned about this being so thin in that, if you look at it's just one arm coming up. But overall, it seems pretty stable. And if you look at the back here, this is how the back looks. Sorry, I'm kind of doing reverse here. And it's down pretty low, and the lower you go, your center of gravity drops, which makes it more stable. And again, I'm on a carpet, so I think once I'm on a hard floor, I think it'll work out better. And again, a little bit wobbly, but I think it's carpet. So yeah. So I would say to you, the OnStage RS7705, I think is pretty good. Again, my amp is about 45 pounds. So, a little bit of wobbly, but I just thought I kind of find it, put some obscure stuff on YouTube. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. Again, it's fully adjustable with the front base, and then that's where the back neck is right there, where it actually meets. If you look at all that all is adjustable there. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching.